Hey guys! C-A-N-D-Y-L-A-N-E C-A-N-D-Y-L-A-N-E So, there's a park I love that I want to go to take a photo shoot. So, in today's video, it's basically a get ready with me. I'll be doing my makeup. But it's for his photo shoot, so I'm going all out. Full glamour. I'm either going to take the bus there, or I'm going to ask my mom. So, if she says yes, that'll be great. If she says no, you'll probably see me on the bus. Oh shit, she's not here, bro. Fuck. She's not in her room. You up? Hey, I have a question for you. Say hi to the camera. Do you consent to being filmed?
Sure.
Okay, she consented. There you go. Do you want to, can you take me to, you know the park on High Road? The one with the tree and the house? Do you think you can drop me off there at some point?
That takes longer than 15 minutes.
Yeah.
Do when I get off of work.
When you get off?
5 p.m.
5 p.m. It'll be dark.
Unless I take like a 30-minute lunch, take you, and then
Yeah, you can
I can pick you up when I get off of work.
Yeah, you can take your time and pick me up. No
Alright.
worries.
Well then, yeah, I can take you for.
Thank you. Oh shit, are you okay? Bro,
Yeah, I'm good.
she gave me a fist bump even though her phone was in her hand and it fell out.
It's alive. It's okay.
Yeah, it's alive.
It
No, that
worked.
would have sucked. Your phone broke.
Alright. Well then, yeah, that's fine.
Let me know when you're ready. I'm gonna get ready.
Okay.
Mission accomplished. So basically, my mom said yes to taking me. She's gonna take me around 1 p.m. I don't know what time it is right now. But I'm pretty sure I'll have enough time. But I'm gonna do my makeup, and I already picked the outfit. As you can see, it's this white dress, and I'm gonna wear this too. I wanted to do my hair in like a high bun, and then put that around it to help it kind of stay up. But yeah, what time is it? Oh yeah, I have 30 minutes. That's good enough. Yeah, that's fine. I can do my makeup in 30 minutes. I'm gonna go for a bright look with a lot of highlighter, like shiny. You know what I'm saying? My face is so shiny. Yeah. But yeah. While I do that, I thought I'd do also, because last video I did a cooking. I made Danish cookies. Like, they were supposed to be pastries, but they basically were cookies. They were good though. They were basically cookies. But the video before that, I did like do a hit every makeup step. So I think we're gonna do that again, but I'm not going to like do it after every step. I'm gonna hit it real quick and then do my hair. So if you wanna take a pepperoni with me, now's the chance. 3, 2, 1, cheers! Motherfucker was clogged. 3, 2, 1, cheers. So I'm going all this off. Look at this makeup look. So, beauty blender. Okay, so my acne, let's just say I need to cover it up. So I'm gonna use the BB cream, which last time I didn't use the BB cream because my acne was a lot worse, but it seems to be getting better, so you know, might as well. this is what I use. It's always hard to find my color when they don't like let you, like they have testers or teasers they call them, where you can try on this stuff to see if it like suits you, which I like. But you know, there's drugstores and stuff, there's cheap places, and they don't do that, you know what I'm saying? And I'm not saying like, I don't know what the fuck that was. I'm not saying that those places are like expensive. Like the price of their makeup is reasonable, of course. It's just like, I'm poor, so I can't afford that shit. Sorry, I brought this over a plane, so it's kind of a little dysfunctional right now. But yeah, I'm cutting that out. Don't even clip that. I'm cutting that out. You can't even clip it because I'm cutting it out. You're just gonna see it cut to me talking about clipping something out. It was me making an ugly face, if I do end up clipping it out. Anyways, it was a little dysfunctional, but it's good now. Also, what can we tell already by looking at this? It's not my goddamn color. Definitely. Okay, but it is the only BB cream I have, so you gotta do what you gotta do. Also, I have a very bright concealer that I can use to help even it up. But yeah, I just go over the parts that have acne. So here. But also I get under my eyes, because if you go under your eyes with a BB cream, it makes your under eyes look less like, I don't know, most people don't like their eye bags. I'm not saying anything wrong. I mean, I don't like my eye bags sometimes too. Like, I don't like them. But, you know what I'm saying? It helps to get rid of them if you do your BB cream under your concealer. But, yeah. I made some cooking videos on my TikTok. I thought they were pretty cool. But, I don't know, man. The one that got the most likes were the empanadas. I think that's because like a lot of people would probably like to know how to make that. Like, I'm sure a lot of people know how to make spaghetti and all that stuff, but empanadas not everyone knows how to make. Obviously that goes for every type of food. Obviously, I'm just saying, like the ones where I made spaghetti and then the Danish wait, that wasn't on TikTok. What was the other one? What did I make? I'm pretty sure it was just like meatballs and rice, or no, it was veggie noodles, right? Yeah, it was. It was like butter veggie noodles. Yeah, I'm saying those didn't get as many likes. Maybe it's also because I used the same song. It's, oh my god, yeah, it's probably literally just the song. I'm not even gonna lie. Because I use the same song for the first two and they get like around the same amount of likes. But then when I use like an actual song that's like catchy, you know, not just like a cooking fun little beat, it like gets, yeah, that's probably it. See, I be overthinking shit that don't even fucking matter. No, but I have to be ready by 1 and it's currently like 12:30. Like, I wouldn't say I'm rushed. I just, if I want to be able to do this, I gotta hurry up. So I guess that is kind of the definition of being rushed. No, but by myself. Like, I'm rushing myself. No one's rushing me type shit. That's like what I mean when I say that. Like, it's no one outside forces rushing me or anything. Ow! Oof. Sorry, that one's bad. It's been bad, I'm not gonna lie. It kind of hurts. But that's the struggle of having bad acne, am I right? It sucks, bro. Also, I have anxiety, so I like literally can't stop picking at it. So bad. No, but I'm gonna get there one day, you know? See, I totally forgot this whole thing. Okay. So, I'm gonna take another hit after this. But I'm trying to cover up all of my acne. Okay, I look orange as hell, right? Trust the process. Trust the process. That's all you can do right now if you want to stay in this video. Just trust the process. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this, and I'm basically just gonna go under the eyes. Right here. I just realized I look scary, but I should make a thumbnail. I don't know why, but I should. I don't know. I look so bad. This is so bad. Okay, now we blend, blend, blend. But my mirror is freaking broken. Is that bad luck? Bro, I'm scared. I hope that isn't bad luck. I don't think it is, because it's not like an actual mirror. It's like a plastic one. But you blend, blend, blend till you can't blend no more. I hope I don't look bad. I'm trying not to look bad if that's not apparent. I'm trying to make myself look very good. You gotta get deep into that forehead line, you know what I'm saying? Deep into it. Okay, I'm gonna have to brush my eyebrows or something because my eyebrow definitely got smacked with foundation. And they look kind of whack now. Okay. Why do I look like that, bro? I feel like I look dumb, but I should do my hair low-key, I'm not gonna lie, because I was supposed to do that before I even started on my makeup. Ow. All this for a photo shoot, am I right? Hey, art is everything to me. Fuck what anyone else says. And it like the, for me, it's like creating art. I don't know. I like looking at the photos in an artistic sense. People can say it's dumb and think I'm doing it for whatever, but I think it's fun. I think it's fun to dress up and take photos. Cinematic photos, if you will. I might need an actual freaking ponytail. Oh my god, my hair is too thick for this seat. Okay. It's okay, we can do this. We can do this. You know what? We might need another ponytail. Okay. Okay. Fuck the bangs right now, they're not important. Okay. So now that we've done that, okay. So I'm gonna like get the axis and put it up, and then like fucking put this shit on top. Right. Make sure to not fuck up the bun. Okay. I feel like Tinkerbell wearing a white dress, and actually Tinkerbell in a different font. Okay. Tinkerbell in a different aesthetic. If Tinkerbell and freaking Vidya switched elements. Okay, so this is the hair that we're gonna go with. Oh god, like this shit isn't even. Hold up. There we go. Okay, so this is the hair we're gonna go with. Yeah, I fuck with it. And also we've let this dry a bit, so I'm just gonna kind of go over it again, just to make sure it's good. Because if you can do this a lot without like ruining it, it means it's like staying. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna stay the freak put. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so I'm just gonna do simple eyeliner, mascara, and that's it. I'm not trying to do anything but I guess highlighter if I'm doing eyeshadow. I think I'll do this pink one. Okay, so then I'll do eyeliner. And now, contour. I don't know why I did eyeliner before contour, but I did. And we're rolling with it. We're rolling with the punches. I can't wait for XO Kitty season 3. I'm sorry, I love XO Kitty. I'm sorry if that's dumb, but I love XO Kitty. I can't wait to watch the next season. It's coming out in April, like the beginning of April. I'm so excited. Can't even tell you how excited I am. Anyways, next step is what do I do? Oh, powder.
Spit, choke, and bite like a fox. You're so sly. People tend to run, but you're stuck on my mind. Hollow stairs, hollow halls. Is this mind a funeral home? The one I'm in.
We have to fix my eyebrows because my eyebrows just blended in with my skin at this point. How do you fix that? You're probably wondering. Yeah, I'm wondering the exact same thing. I'm finna use a pen. Kind of shimmy out. People are like, this is a new technique of how to do makeup. We need to take notes. I'm using the pen you were taking the notes with, so. Okay, that wasn't funny. But I thought it was fun. It was funny to me, okay? Who cares if no one else is laughing? Because I laugh my own joke. That may not be a good thing, but it sure as hell is entertaining. What time is it? I'm asking the camera like the camera will tell me. I gotta check my laptop again. Okay. Now, blush and highlighter. Okay. This is the look. Oh, wait. Nah, I think we're done. I might do lipstick, but I don't know. I don't really like know where it is. Vaseline. See. So. It's 1 o'clock, bro. That was perfect timing. No, y'all literally witnessed it. It was perfect timing, wasn't it? Anyways, you freaking rock. Let's take a ripperoni together, because you rock so freaking much. Like, that outfit you're wearing, W fit, you know? Like, yes, it matches so well. Don't listen to what anyone else says. The fit matches. If you think it matches, it matches. Let me stop. 3, 2, 1, cheers! Do that. I did a blinker if you didn't see. Yes, I did. I'm giving Tinkerbell a different font. Quite literally. No, like, hold up. Quite literally. I'm going to turn the camera sideways for a minute, okay? This is it. Am I giving Tinkerbell a different font? No? Okay, that's cool. Because I have sandals to go with it. Anyways, I hope you have a great day. Catch you next time. See you in the next video. Stay tuned, and we are out.